Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to connect Wix Automations to Microsoft Excel. The way that we can do that before, we can go right here to Automations in Wix, and then we can click Create Automation and then start from scratch. And then there used to be a way where, for example, I'll select a trigger first. For example, when an order is updated, we can add a step that we can connect to Zapier, and then we can use that to connect to Microsoft Excel. But unfortunately, as of 2025, last year, we don't really have the way to connect to Zapier from inside Wix Automation, since Wix has changed the connection to it. So the only way that we can connect Wix is by just using Zapier itself. So just go to Zapier and then make sure you already have your account. Then from here, we can click create and then click Zaps. Then from here, we can select the trigger event to be Wix. So just click trigger, and then from here, you can see Wix right here, or you can search it in the search bar. So just select Wix, and then we need to choose the trigger event. So for example, let's find a trigger event that we can use. So for example, let's choose payments. And then for the account, go ahead and connect your account. Since my account is already connected, I can just choose my Wix website from here. So for example, I'll connect my website right here called Pizza Haven. If you want to connect more websites, you can just click connect a new account, and then this window should open, and then you can choose from the different websites that you have. Then click continue, and then we need to configure it. So select the specific trigger to use. So let's choose this one, when an invoice is paid. Then click continue, and then you can test the trigger right here so that Zapier can see if it works. Now that it's finished, click continue, and then let's move on to the second step, which is the action. Now we are going to find Microsoft Excel in here. So we can just type in Excel, select it, and then for the action event, choose the action that you want to have. So for example, we can add a new row, just this one, and then you just need to connect your Microsoft account. So from here, my Microsoft account is already connected, and what I need to do is that I just need to allow Zapier some access to Excel. So just click accept, and then once it's finished, click continue, and then from here, you just need to select your Excel workbook. So let me try refreshing it. And then now it has my Excel workbook right here. So it shows the storage source for OneDrive, and then we have the root folder, and then we have the Excel workbook right here. And then for the worksheet, let's choose sheet 1 and then click continue. And then we can test it out. So we can click test step, and then we can see that it is working. So we can click publish. And then that is it. So now that the app is published, we have now connected our Wix to Microsoft Excel. And then that is it. So I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.